On-ramp integration, Pi's major update. Big leap towards KYB. Wait is over. Pi Network has started adopting a KYB, Know Your Business model for Pi token distribution, officially and rapidly, strengthening compliance, reducing speculation, and expanding global utility. Under this system, Pi will now distribute tokens only through KYB verified businesses, not random individual sellers. This is what the main page of Pi app of 120 million users reads nowadays. On-ramp integrations. As initially announced on Pi 2 Day, the Pi wallet now integrates OnRamper, a third-party KYB verified on-ramp aggregator that simplifies on-ramp services for pioneers. This integration offers a strengthened way to participate in the Mainnet ecosystem. OnRamper can be accessed through the Pi wallet, where pioneers can choose from available KYB-compliant on-ramp services and utilize the one they prefer, subject to each on-ramp's regional availability and other restrictions.
I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, DIGITDON.
Pi's steady on-ramp integration. So, not only OnRamper, Pi has also quietly integrated another on-ramp service, TransFi, into the app on August 6, 2025. TransFi claims its services are available in 85 countries worldwide. In simple terms, this means that directly inside the Pi app, pioneers can now buy Pi using fiat, the local currency of their country. And it's not just TransFi or OnRamper. Pioneers can choose from other KYB-verified on-ramp partners listed on the Pi website, depending on what's available in their region. Meanwhile, Pi is also working on direct integration with Apple Pay and Google Pay. And if that happens in the future, believe me, Pi could really shoot for the moon. The crypto community is also taking this as a sign of the Pi core team's seriousness in its commitment to treat pioneers exactly as true pioneers. Timing matters. The timing of this move is also quite significant. Pi took this leap at a moment when the crypto community is already buzzing about the mysterious wallet, a wallet that, in just the past couple of weeks, has drained 331 million Pi coins, worth around $150 million, from various exchanges and on-ramp service providers. If you recall our last video, we briefly discussed this wallet and the speculation that the Pi core team might secretly be behind it, aiming to secure such a massive amount of Pi for future market influence. Even back then, we dismissed that theory. And now, the introduction of a mechanism to keep a large portion of Pi in the hands of everyday users further suggests the core team's loyalty and trust toward its pioneers. So, don't take it lighter. It's new wave in crypto ocean. It's really a big and encouraging and reassuring leap from Pi. Don't leave the video and don't skip. The information I am going to share will bring an evolution in your Pi journey. What is Pi KYB on-ramp integration? Dear friends, do you realize what this massive Pi leap truly means and how important it is? That's exactly why I felt compelled to make this video. A couple of days ago, one of my followers from the US messaged me. In the compliance of YouTube privacy policy, I am not going to show his name. He had joined Pi Network late, probably in the end of 2024, so he didn't have many mined Pi coins. But he strongly believes Pi will succeed in the future, so he wanted to buy a good amount during the current dip, to hold as an investment until the price surges. He tried searching Facebook pages for Pi sellers, but almost all looked like scammers, asking for advance payment with no guarantee they wouldn't just disappear. So he asked me to sell him Pi, saying he trusts me enough to pay in advance. I appreciated his idea, as I believe in Pi's future too, but I advised him not to trust me or anyone else this way. Instead, I told him to use one of Pi KYB on-ramp services, whichever is available in his region, the safe, Pi-verified option available right inside his Pi wallet. Using this option, he can easily buy Pies using fiat, mean his local currency, or credit card in small amounts. To my surprise, he had no idea this feature even existed. When I asked a few more followers, most didn't know either, and some had already been scammed while buying or selling Pies. So here's the point. After Pi officially started adopting the KYB model for Pi token distribution, there's no need to risk buying from random Facebook sellers at high prices with almost 99% chance of scams. Now, Pi has an official safe route for buying and selling, whether you use P2P trading on an exchange or buy directly through a Pi KYB on-ramp wallet. The doors are officially open now. Before this massive and decisive move from Pi, scammers could pretend to be real and genuine entities. But Pi now forces businesses who intend to deal on Pi behalf to prove they're real. That changed everything for Pioneer safety. If you are a common pioneer who wants to buy some Pi at a dip or in bearish situation and hold it as an investment to sell later at a better price when it surges in bullish situation, going through these KYB-approved businesses is the safest, smartest, and easiest way to do it. Let's break it down step by step. What is KYB? KYB stands for Know Your Business. Think of it like KYC for companies. Just as Pi asks every pioneer to verify themselves with KYC, Pi asks businesses to prove they are real, licensed, and follow local laws. That is KYB. The goal is simple. Stop fake businesses and reduce scams. Why KYB matters. Why would Pi do this? Because if a company pretends to be on Pi Mainnet and offers to sell Pi, but in actual it's fake, many pioneers can lose Pi or get scammed. By allowing only KYB verified businesses to have Pi Mainnet wallets, Pi creates a safer system where real KYB verified businesses can interact with real KYC verified users. This is not just for trust. It also helps Pi work with real payment services around the world. Official KYB list? These are the businesses Pi shows on its KYB page. Always check these before you trust a company that says it deals in Pi. The companies listed are OKX, Zipto, Gate.io, Banxa, BitGet, TransFi, recently but silently added MEXC, Pionex, OnRamp Money and OnRamper, recently and openly added. That list is on Pi's official KYB page, so it's the place to trust. Classification: exchanges versus on-ramps. Quick and clear classification. Some of these are centralized exchanges, places where you can trade many coins and store funds. Others are on-ramp or payments providers, services that help you buy crypto with local money or let businesses accept crypto payments. Here's how they group up. OKX, Gate.io, BitGet, MEXC, and Pionex are the exchanges mean big trading platforms, whereas Zipto, Banxa, TransFi, OnRamp.money, and OnRamper are on-ramp service/payment/wallet providers. If you want to buy Pi with your local money, you'll most likely use one of the on-ramp services. If you want to trade or move large amounts, that often happens through an exchange. Example scenario. Let me give a short example. Suppose a website says, "Buy Pi here," but it is not on Pi's KYB list. If you send money there, your payment could be lost, or the service could disappear. But if you use a KYB verified on-ramp, like Banxa or TransFi, they follow rules, have licenses, and are less likely to vanish or steal funds. That extra verification is the protection. Benefits for a normal user. So what's in it for you, the regular pioneer? No scams, no fake wallets and fake companies to trick you. More reliable on-ramps, easier ways to buy Pi with local money using trusted services. A safer mainnet, because both users and businesses are verified, the whole network becomes more trustworthy. That means smaller chance of sudden crashes caused by quick token dumps. how to access and use it. Now, let me show you, step by step, how you can actually use one of the recently added Pi KYB options called TransFi to buy Pies. Open your Pi wallet, tap the New Buy button. Select On-Ramps. Link your local payment method. For example, I've already connected my Apple Pay wallet. Enter the amount of money you want to spend on buying Pi. You'll instantly see how much Pi you'll receive. From the Pi KYB list, choose your provider. In this example, we have TransFi. Tap Buy Pi. You'll be redirected to the TransFi sign-up page. Create here your TransFi account, then follow the on-screen instructions, and that's it. You'll get your Pi safely, quickly, and conveniently, straight into your wallet using your own trusted local payment method. If you found this video useful, hit like and share for other pioneers. Check the Pi KYB page before you use a service. I'll leave the official KYB link in the description. If you want, I can make a detailed tutorial showing how to buy Pi safely using an on-ramp. Say yes in the comments, and I'll make it next. So let's meet in some other crypto-related useful video. Bye till then, and stay blessed.